Then welcome to Finance Solutions 360, where we simplify investing and money management for everyone. In today's video, we'll uncover the 5 most common investing mistakes that stop people from growing their wealth and how you can avoid them to build a smarter financial future. Most beginners invest without a clear goal. They just buy random stocks or funds hoping for quick returns. Before investing, define your goals. Are you saving for retirement, a home, or financial freedom? When your goals are clear, your investment plan becomes stronger and more disciplined. Many investors try to time the market, buying at the lowest point and selling at the highest. But even professional traders struggle to do this consistently. Instead of timing the market, focus on time in the market. Consistent long-term investing, like SIPs or dollar cost averaging, gives better results. Putting all your money into one stock or sector is risky. Diversify your portfolio across different asset classes: stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, and bonds. Diversification helps protect your investments from unexpected market swings. When markets fall, fear takes over. When they rise, greed takes over. Successful investors control emotions and stick to their strategy. Remember, patience and discipline build wealth, not panic and impulse. Investing isn't a one-time action. Markets change, companies evolve, and your goals may shift. Review your portfolio regularly, at least once or twice a year, to rebalance and stay aligned with your objectives. By avoiding these 5 mistakes: unclear goals, market timing, poor diversification, emotional investing, and ignoring reviews, you'll stay ahead of most investors. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more financial wisdom, only on Finance Solutions 360.